So the new generation Samsung Galaxy smartwatches are already here, and the people who wanted to buy, they are already buying it. But if you still couldn't decide, then let me share with you few new things that you probably don't know. So first and foremost thing you need to know, the Watch 5 will come in two different sizes, 40mm, 44mm, and will be available in quite a bit of colors. The Watch 5 Pro on the other hand will come in only one size, 45mm, and it will come in two different colors. These two features will have enhanced Samsung health and sleep tracking features. Now this is something that might not even come to the Watch 4 series if you are expecting, featuring blood oxygen, snow detection capabilities in addition to sleep coaching that comes with like daily missions and all those sleep goals and all those stuff or reports. So if you are having sleeping problems or you want to keep a track of your sleeping habits, then definitely this watch will help you a lot, more than Apple Watches. Both the standard Watch 5 and Watch 5 Pro have bioactive sensors to accurately measure the heart rate, blood pressure, blood oxygen, or even ECG measurement. And of course, body composition, just like past years. But this year, the Watch 5 and Watch 5 Pro has much bigger surface area, or contact surface area, let's call it, to measure these things more accurately than ever. And on top of that, the Samsung Health features like route workout, turn-by-turn direction, and track back. Now these things are mostly about the outdoor activities, but other than that, you also have temperature sensor. Now this is also available to third-party app developers, so that's actually good. But keep in mind, this is still skin temperature, not exactly body core temperature. The temperature sensor is based on the infrared technology and can work really well, according to Samsung. Also open to third-party app developers, so maybe other app developers will be able to take advantage of it. That's good. Now the other thing is, this year the build quality is really top-notch. Now instead of the regular Gorilla Glass DX protection on the display, Samsung's new Galaxy Watch 5 series has sapphire crystal display protection for the 1.2-inch and 1.4-inch circular Super AMOLED displays. Now this new technology is actually 60% stronger than the Corning Gorilla Glass DX protection. That's actually a big improvement, and hopefully it will be much more scratch resistant. Now both smartwatches will also have IP68 dust and water resistance rating, plus it will have 5 ATM rating. Now if you don't know about these things deeply, then I will make a video on that. Keep an eye on this channel. But on top of all these things, the Watch 5 will come with aluminum build, but the Watch 5 Pro will come in a titanium build quality, which is again much more stronger than the aluminum build quality of the Watch 5 or even the Watch 4 series. Now the next thing that you probably don't know, or you should know before buying, is more customization options than ever. We know the Galaxy Z Flip 3 or even the Z Flip 4 has bespoke edition. Well, the Galaxy Watch 5 series is also getting the same treatment. So first and foremost, Samsung already has released a golf edition of the entire Galaxy Watch 5 series, which really does look cool. It comes with a new style of bands and so many things. It just looks cool. When it comes to the bespoke edition, the Galaxy Watch 5 bespoke edition, which will be available in selected markets at Samsung's online bespoke studio, it will give you option to choose different colors and strap designs to cover about 1,000 plus unique combinations. So that is actually crazy. Now other than that, this year the battery life will get a massive boost. First and foremost thing, this year both of the watches are coming with 10-watt charging adapter support. That means they will charge faster than ever. Now in terms of batteries though, this year the 40mm and 44mm Galaxy Watch 5 has 248 mAh and 410 mAh batteries respectively, whereas the Watch 5 Pro has a massive 590 mAh battery. According to Samsung, the Galaxy Watch 5 should offer you around 50 hours of battery life on a full charge, whereas the Watch 5 Pro will give you about 80 hours. So these Galaxy watches will be the longest lasting Galaxy watches in the entire Samsung history. Now this year the Wear OS actually got a small upgrade, not so huge. So this year the Google Assistant is already baked in, and you're also gonna find the Google Maps and other third-party apps like SoundCloud or Deezer if you want them. So now the prices, the Watch 5 will start at $240 for the 40mm model, and the 44mm model will set you back $270. And if you wanna get the cellular model, then definitely $50 more. The Watch 5 Pro will be an insanely costly one, $420 for the normal Bluetooth variant, and the LTE model will cost you $500. Now at that price, if you look at the Watch 5 Pro, then it might not seem like a big of an upgrade, considering it only has a bigger battery, a premium material, And that's probably it. And few software features here and there that are exclusive to the Pro models, but nothing major if you compare it with the Watch 5, the standard model. And the Watch 5 almost look identical to the Watch 4. So with only few upgrades here and there, like the sapphire crystal glass on the display, a little better battery life, faster charging, few other things here and there like the temperature sensor and the bigger surface contact area. That's probably it. What's your thought? Like, are you buying the Watch 5 Pro? Are you sticking with the Watch 5? Or are you gonna go somewhere else to buy the Watch 4 instead at a much cheaper price? Let me know. I want to know. Or on the other hand, you also have the option to buy the Galaxy Watch 4 Classic if you want. But that at least for now. We don't know about the future. And just before the outro, if you want to check out some of the coolest wallpapers on the market, then definitely click the link in the description below, or just simply visit my website joindavid.com, where you're gonna find a lot more tech news and stuffs that matter. So definitely visit my website. Until the next one, bye and take care.